G'day mates, here we are in Austria, in a cornfield. Can you imagine that? And you know what we found in this cornfield? You guessed it, corn. So, what I've heard from the locals in these parts is they have a contest. Who can take an ear of corn, and throw it the furthest? So, I figured with my gunslinger arm, I'd give it a shot. So here we go. Ready? Here we go! Wish me luck. Yeah.
Oh! Oh my God! Somebody hit me in the head! Somebody hit a car!
Oh my God!
How does that happen?
Alright folks, maybe we'll get back to you later. I think I gotta leave. Bye.